the channel Brilliance Academy. I am Chauhan sir with a new topic, conjugation. But a conjugation is actually, an atom is said to be in conjugation if it has a charge, a empty p or d orbital, multiple bond, unpaired electrons or lone pair of electrons, and it is directly connected to multiple bonded system through sigma bond. Then the atom is said to be in conjugation, right? I am going to write here the definition, and with the help of example I am going to define that. And beta, the definitions are written in the description box. You may copy from there, right? Okay, so an atom is said to be in conjugation if it has a charge, lone pair of electrons, unpaired electrons, empty p or d orbital, and it is connected to multiple bonded system through sigma bond. Then the atom is said to be in conjugation. For example, CH2 positive sigma CH double bond CH2. So beta, in this example a positive charge is there on the carbon atom and multiple bond system is there, and the charge, the carbon which has positive charge, this charge is connected to the multiple bonded system through this sigma bond. So charge sigma multiple bonded system, so that means the conjugation is there, and because of this conjugation what is going to happen in this molecule, let me explain this. This carbon has 6 electrons. 6 electrons means the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. So here this is the outermost electronic configuration. So in orbitals it is this, right? So this is the ground state of carbon atom. Now in excited state means when any atom going to react with some other atom, then it is in excited state, right? So excited state of carbon is this atom, this paired electron going to the empty orbital. If empty orbital is present, then this jump to this empty orbital and the position becomes like this. Now in this all 4 orbitals, this is 2s, this is 2p, is occupied by single electrons. So C positive atom means one electron eliminated. So 1 electron from the outermost orbital. That means this orbital, any of this px, py, pz, they are perpendicular to each other. So any orbital px, py, pz, the electron may be eliminated. So that depends on the other atom come to which axis, px, py or pz, that depends on that. So one electron and one electron eliminated. That becomes the C positive. So here an empty orbital is there on C positive atom. So here if I am going to show orbitals here, empty orbital and here CH, CH2 and an orbital and an orbital, and this orbital has one electron perpendicular to each other. This p orbital, p orbital, p orbital, all are perpendicular to each other. P orbital, p orbital, one electron, parallel overlapping, sidewise overlapping, and the pi bond forms. And this p orbital has a positive charge because neither kind of electron is there, so it is empty. So empty orbital attracts the pi electron towards itself. Because of the conjugation, it is happening in this molecule. Because of the conjugation, positive charge, single bond, multiple bond, positive charge, single bond, multiple bond, positive charge connected to multiple bond through sigma bond. The conjugation is there. The empty orbital attracts the pi electrons, delocalization takes place. Because of the conjugation, the delocalization of the pi electrons takes place. Pi electrons are loosely held, so they delocalize because of the conjugation, and the resonance come in existence in the molecule. The energy decreases and the stability increases. So here pi electrons attracts towards the empty orbital, and this become like now the one electron is there because attracted towards itself, and the pi bond forms between this carbon atom and this carbon atom. Now this has the empty orbital, this carbon has the empty orbital, a positive charge is there, right? So what happening in this molecule, with this molecule, it may be written as CH2 positive, CH, CH2 double bond. This pi electrons, these pi electrons attracted by this positive charge, and this become CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH2. Now the positive charge come on this carbon. Again this pi electrons attracted by this positive charge, empty orbital, and this shifting towards the positive, empty orbital takes place of the pi electrons, and because of this molecule changes, this molecule changes in this. So this is the resonance structures. Because of the conjugation, the delocalization of pi electrons takes place and the resonance come in existence. So these are the resonating structures. Write down this first, and then we will move to the necessary conditions for conjugation in the molecule. Beta, one thing I would like to say you, please like, share and subscribe the video. A static charge produce an electric field around it, and when a charge moves, the electric field distributes, and electric field is a kind of energy. That means when charge moves, energy distributes. That means energy decreases, and energy decreases, the stability increases. That means due to the conjugation, the pi electrons delocalization takes place, pi electrons movement takes place, and because of that the energy decreases and the stability of the molecule increases, right? A static charge produces electric field around it, and when charge moves the electric field distributes. Field distributes. That is, energy distributes. And thus energy decreases, hence stability of the molecule increases. Not in short, that is due to conjugation, resonance takes place. Resonance means delocalization of pi electrons and that's why the energy decreases and stability increases. So this is in short, because of the conjugation, the resonance takes place, that means the delocalization of pi electrons takes place, and hence the energy decreases and the stability of the molecule increases, right? This is the phenomena. Now move to the necessary conditions for the conjugation.